Solve the following system of equations using Cramer's rule. The given equations are 2x plus y plus z is equals to 1, 4x plus y is equal to minus 2, minus 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7. These are the equations. We have to find the solution by Cramer's rule. Solution. We will convert these in a matrix form. 2 is nothing but coefficient of x, and then y coefficient is 1 and z coefficient is 1. Similarly, for second equation, 4 1 0, as z is not here, so 0. Third, minus 2 2 1, minus 2 2 1, we got matrix A. Next, x is nothing but the variables which we are using here, x, y and z. X, y and z. D is constants. What are constants here? 1, minus 2, 7. So denoted by D is equals to 1 minus 2, 7. Now we will express these equations or matrices in the form of Ax is equals to D. A, x and D. So Ax is equals to D. First, determinant of A. 2 1 1 4 1 0 minus 2 2 1. Determinant. How to find determinant? First, 2. Leave this line. 2. Multiply 1 into 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0. Similarly, for the middle term we have to write minus here. So minus 1. Now leave this line and this column. So you are left with these two. So 4 into 1 minus 2 into 0. Now third term is 1. So plus here. So only in the middle we have to take minus. So plus 1. When taking this 1, leave this column and this row. So you are left with 4 1 minus 2 2. Okay, 4 into 2 minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1, right? Now multiply this. 2 same as it is. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 0 is 0, minus 1 same as it is. 4 into 1 is 4, minus into minus plus 2 into 0 is 0, 2 zeros are 0, plus 1. 4 twos are 8, minus into minus plus 2 times 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, first we simplify bracket terms. 1 minus 0 is 1, then 2 into 1 is 2. Next, 4 plus 0 is 4, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 into 1 is 10. After simplification we get 8, which is not equal to 0. Then we can proceed further. If you get determinant is equal to 0, then we can't do that problem. So here determinant is not equal to 0. We got delta is equals to 8. Now for finding x is the x value, y value and z value, x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y is delta 2 by delta, z is delta 3 by delta. First we find delta 1. Delta 1 is nothing but same matrix, but in the first column we use constant, that is nothing but d value. What is d value? 1 minus 2 7. So at the place of first column we are using 1 minus 2 7. and while finding delta 2 we use 1 minus 2 7 in the middle. Okay, And for delta 3 we use in the last column 1 minus 2 7. Remaining are same, only for z we use 1 minus 2 7, that is D. Okay, same procedure here also. Determinant, finding determinant 1. So leave this column and this row. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0. Okay, middle term is, so for middle term same, minus 1. Leave this column and this row. You are left with minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 7 into 0. 7 into 0. Last one is plus 1 plus 1. Then leave this column and this row. Minus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 7 into 1. 7 into 1. Now simplify this. 1 same as it is. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 zeros are 0. Minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 7 into 0 is 7 zeros are 0. Plus 1. Minus 2 into 2. Minus into plus is minus. 2 twos are 4. 7 ones are 7. Minus 7. Okay. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into 1. 1. Minus 2 minus 0 is nothing but minus 2 only. So minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. When two numbers are negative, we will add that, but sign will be minus only. So 4 and 7 is 11, but minus 11 it is. Okay. So now simplify this. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 11 is minus 8. Minus 8. Now we will find delta 2. Just we are changing the second column and writing D here. D value. What is D value? 1 minus 2, 7. Same procedure. First number, then multiplying, leaving first column and first row. Okay. After simplification, you will get delta 2 is equals to 16. Now delta 3. Last column will be changed here. We write D value in the last column. Okay. So delta 3 is 8. By Cramer's rule, x is delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 is minus 8 and delta is 8. 8 ones are 8. So answer is minus 1. Okay, y is delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 is 16. 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So answer is 2. Y is 2. Next z is delta 3 by delta is equals to 8 by 8. 8 ones are 1. So therefore x is minus 1, y is equals to 2, z is equals to